Sedans are becoming a rare sight on roads dominated by SUVs. But when the new Toyota Camry caught my eye, it felt like stumbling upon an oasis in a desert. The Camry has long been celebrated as a classy, practical, and luxurious sedan. And while it doesn't fail to uphold its legacy, it's not an all-out victory this time. Exterior. Bold and sporty, with a touch of elegance. The 2024 Toyota Camry marks the fourth generation in India and the ninth globally. Despite fierce competition that has seen many rivals fall, the Camry stands tall, a testament to Toyota's unwavering commitment to this iconic brand. At first glance, the new Camry dazzles with its sporty and sharper design. The bold Toyota front grille, paired with eye-catching C-shaped headlamps, exudes a contemporary vibe. The lower front bumper hints at Lexus-like sophistication, ensuring you'll turn heads on the road. The rear design, while subtly reminiscent of its predecessor, incorporates sleek C-shaped tail lamps, a coupe-style rear window, and a spoiler-like boot lip that elevates its premium appeal. Riding on stylish 18-inch wheels, this Camry certainly looks like a car that belongs in the Indian Rupee 50 lakh club. Interior, a blend of luxury and quirks. When a car carries an ex-showroom price tag of 48 Indian rupees lakh, over 50 Indian rupees lakh on road, expectations run high. The Camry's interior offers plenty to admire, but there are areas that leave room for improvement. The soft-touch leather across the dashboard and doors feels plush, and the choice of colors enhances the premium ambience. However, the door handles and AC vents feel out of place amidst this luxurious setting, coming across as somewhat mismatched. Where the Camry truly shines is the rear seat experience, a significant selling point for this premium sedan. Designed for those who prefer to be chauffeured, the rear seats offer edge-to-edge comfort, with ample contouring to keep you settled during long drives. The piece de resistance? The electronic reclining feature, which adds a layer of luxury typically found in cars that cost significantly more. The rear armrest doubles as a command center, equipped with a touch panel for controlling your personal climate zone, operating electronic rear window blinds, and even hiding a flip-out cup holder. Unfortunately, the surrounding plastic feels a bit subpar, and the placement of the rear AC vents lacks finesse. Interior. A subtle symphony of functionality and comfort. Step inside the 2024 Toyota Camry, and you're greeted by a cabin that effortlessly marries practicality with premium touches. The leather-wrapped steering wheel feels just right in your hands, exuding a sense of sophistication, while the digital instrument cluster ahead impresses with its sharp graphics and dynamic animations. Watching the visuals shift with driving mode changes is oddly satisfying, and the projector-style UHD display further adds to the upscale vibe. The 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system strikes a balance between simplicity and usability. While it doesn't overwhelm with an avalanche of features, it delivers exactly what you need: practical, responsive, and thoughtfully designed, staying true to Toyota's ethos. For someone like me, who prefers tactile feedback over touch panels, the dampened, premium feel buttons for climate control and driving modes are a standout feature. But it's not just about the tech. Practicality is woven into every corner of the cabin. From ample storage spaces to 3 Type-C charging ports, a wireless charging pad, and a cooled glove box, the Camry ensures you're equipped for any journey. And yes, while the sunroof isn't panoramic, its ample size feels just right. No dramatic flair, but no real complaints either. Space and versatility, the Camry advantage. Sedans are known for their spacious boots, and the Camry doesn't disappoint, offering 500 liters of storage. While it may not lead the pack in volume, it's more than adequate for your everyday and travel needs. However, there's a slight letdown with the exposed metal and speakers in the boot, a small blemish on an otherwise stellar experience. That said, Toyota redeems itself with a full-size alloy spare wheel tucked underneath the boot floor, a rarity in today's market and a thoughtful touch that earns a nod of appreciation. Safety and features, built to protect and pamper. In a car of this caliber, safety is paramount, and the Camry delivers. Equipped with 9 airbags, over 20 passive safety features, and ADAS capabilities, the Camry ensures peace of mind for every journey. Comfort and convenience are equally prioritized. The electronically adjustable steering and ventilated front seats with lumbar support are tailored for long drives, ensuring you remain relaxed. Additional features like cruise control, rear AC vents, and voice commands round out a well-considered package. While some features might be missing, the overall offering strikes a thoughtful balance between practicality and luxury, leaving little room for complaints. 2024 Toyota Camry, driving impressions. Now we know that you will buy this car not to drive it, but in case you do, the big change the new Camry brings to the table is the new engine combination. The 2.5-liter petrol engine paired with a 1.04 kilowatt-hours Li-ion battery delivers 230 PS of max power and 208 newton-meters of electric torque. Yes, at low speeds the Camry does sound a little frivolous, but the instant torque output, which is evenly spread out, comes in aid and saves the day. Also, as you get the speedometer to go up, things get serious, and the more supportive and responsive performance of the battery pack keeps things in control, yet leaves some space to play. The better part of the story remains to be the fact that the battery intervenes in intervals to give you that extra boost all while doing its usual chores. This helps you to zoom past quicker in traffic and also run the vehicle much smoother at lower speeds. However, even at highway speeds the Camry doesn't quite disappoint. The balanced performance of the engine and the battery keeps things quite charming and comfortable. The 10-speed ECVT gearbox feels much more responsive with fewer delays between shifts. That doesn't negate the fact that there are delays, but driving in the city requires no more. At higher speeds, the Sport mode comes into action, which helps with sharper gear shifts, aiding the process. Toyota has always been about great ride quality, giving you stability and comfort while being quick and responsive. The braking and suspension tell the same story. Under regular undulations, the car seems quite level. However, big potholes might be an issue. The suspension does try to save grace, but in case you are at a really rough patch of road, the jerks will reach you. Maybe not jolting your spine all throughout, but they won't be completely harmless. My only complaint here would be the steering being a bit too light, and some heft would have been much nicer. However, it does handle quite well in sharp turns while being quite agile and light. The Camry does perform well and feels quite brisk. However, the hybrid factor takes away the kick and fun you are supposed to experience while driving a luxury sedan. The Sport mode here makes his case as it gets the engine more involved and gives you more control with engine braking. 2024 Toyota Camry. Verdict. The Camry has its ups and downs, no doubt, but somehow it still provides a good proposition. Yes, we will not forget the loose ends in the interiors and the starkly